Yo, 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 what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video I'm going to be explaining the science of why you should never tell people your dreams, aspirations, upcoming jobs and manifestations. So I think we've all been in a similar boat or same boat where we're in the second or third stage to our job application. We're about to manifest our dream job. You've gone to see the manager, you've seen the colleagues, you've seen the workplace, everything seems on go, the manager likes you, and then last minute, it pulls back on you, it falls through. But you told everyone, you got excited. Footballers, a lot of youth footballers, they go to like big clubs, Man United, Arsenal, they go to see the place, and then the contract doesn't come through for them, medical fails, whatever. Or you go to see a dream house, sign the paperwork, and then the plug gets pulled on you. Why does this happen? This happens because of excitement on your half and negative energy from others. So the science to this is you're an atom. An atom is made up of protons, electrons, neutrons. And when you get excited, you're positively charging this situation. And yourself, you are a morphogenic field. A morphogenic field has many layers. So you have your physical body, you have a mental body, astral body. This is an aura around you. It may not be seen with the physical eye, but this is very real. The same way you have a dream and it feels real, vivid, so real that it's more real than real life. But it still exists. It's still something you feel because you can have a bad dream, AKA a nightmare, and it can destroy your whole day. It can make you feel down, low. So this is still a vibration. This is still something that is physical, but non-physical at the same time. So when you tell people that you're about to manifest this, it is real because you already envisioned you working in that job or you working wherever, securing the new house, being a footballer at this new place where you're signed at. You already envisioned it. And when you told people that you was about to manifest this dream job, they also had visions of you not getting the job, you not making more money, you not being higher in success than them. And negativity reigns supreme here on this physical plane. When we talk about polarity, we're talking about yin energy, yang energy. Yang energy is masculine, is positively charged. Yin energy is feminine, it's negatively charged. But how do we stay here grounded on Earth? We stay here grounded on Earth through negative polarity. This is why any word starting with GR is speaking about negativity, grounded, gravity, gratitude. So when we talk about negativity, it's not just about, oh yeah, this person's hating on you, do. No, it's to keep you remained here on this physical plane, okay? But this is why negative energy seems to be the energy that reigns supreme here, good or bad. Like, why is it that it seems like hate is more prosperous than love? Why does it seem like war is always existing? Yeah, because negativity reigns supreme, okay? But we don't demonize negativity because actually that's what allows you to bring things here in this physical plane also. So this is it. When you tell people that you're trying to manifest, their morphogenic field and dominions that are corrupted in their morphogenic fields, such as hate, jealousy, envy. These are also energies that are vibratory in these higher planes. So it's like a battle, it's a war that's going on that is unseen. Most of this world is unseen. So when you tell them, they may not be verbalizing it, but deep down they're like, oh, I can't believe he's doing this. I can't believe he's doing that. Oh, he's gonna get this, he's gonna do that. And they won't say anything to you, but mentally, spiritually, this is what they're feeling. And this is why your manifestations don't come through. So when something looks like it's 99% looking like it's gonna be a certain for you, there's other wars going on that conspires to not make that happen, okay? So this is it. This is a real science, this is a real phenomena, and this is the explanation of why your manifestations don't actually come through when it looks like it's a given, okay? So what you should be doing is you should be keeping your manifestations, dreams, aspirations to yourself and just take action. It's more satisfactory. And when you do it, people be like, rah, I didn't know you was onto that. I didn't know you was doing that. I didn't know you was doing that. Yeah, you wasn't supposed to know, because I know if I told you, your energy would have just clouded the situation and not help it come manifest, okay? So a lot of people understand this subconsciously. I have a few friends who know that they never tell people what they're about to do. They just do it, and they understand the concept of that. But you may be around certain individuals who don't understand that, okay? And that is what keeps you stuck within your friends group, actually. You know, if you're in a friends group and it's not really prospering, everyone's doing the same thing, and you're thinking, why can't I elevate? It's probably because of the people you're around. They say you become whoever you're around, the 5 people that you're around, because you as a group create your own morphogenic field, your own auric field, okay? Most of this reality, like I said, is unseen. The physical reality is the most densest. So you have to understand unseen energy. When we talk about, like, you know, devils, this and all of that, it's illusionary, but there is 2 poles to this reality. Like I said, positivity, negativity. So understand that. It's more satisfactory to keep it within, because even when we start speaking about different esoterical knowledge, such as Gnosticism, they speak about the archons. This is why you don't even have to physically tell anyone what you're about to do, but you can say it to yourself or verbalize it to a girlfriend, a partner, and there comes resistance. This is because the archons are conspiring to not make that happen. So you may say, yeah, I'm about to do this and that, and then, long story short, it's become hard, it's become difficult, it's become more longer than you expected. This is because there's other energies also conspiring to not make that happen, because maybe they hold dominion on you on certain things. Let's say you're a procrastinator, you're lazy. This is an energy signature that has dominion over you, and they want you to continually be lazy and comfortable in those energies because they govern you. And now you want to exit those energies, such as, you know, proactive, and any energy starting with the word P, power. This is more of a light body. It's more of a field that is not bound to gravity. And this is what the archons don't like, okay? So there's a deeper aspect to the science of why people don't manifest what they really want. It's very much conclusive in unseen energy. This is why it's more easier to manifest negative things in your life, them positive, but you can rewire that with the thinking of your mind and rewiring your mind to be empowered by action, by power, by not telling people what you're gonna do, just do it, okay? So go inwards, push outwards. It's more satisfactory, it's more joyous, there's less obstacles. Peace.